Hey backyard gardeners, what is up? Today we're talking about one of your best flowers you can plant in your garden. They are called zinnias. Zinnias are so beautiful because they have such vibrant blooms, different colors. We have red, orange, yellow, greens, all these different colors, and they're an absolute powerhouse when it comes to attracting your pollinators, all your bees, your butterflies, all your beneficial insects. So it's something that's really great for your garden, and let's get into it and let's grow. So zinnias are a must to have in your garden, especially, I mean, look at this bright, bold, red, beautiful zinnia. It attracts these butterflies. Look at this butterfly, this monarch butterfly, it's so beautiful. It attracts bees in, and hummingbirds love red flowers, and it really helps your garden thrive. I mean, look at this butterfly going to work for you, and it's going to basically do that for your tomato plants, your cucumbers, your zucchini, your pepper plants, everything. So it's so vital to have a nice pollinator plant, especially a zinnia. It's so beautiful in your garden. All right, so here we are. We're going to plant some of our zinnias. I'm going to show you pretty much how easy it is just to get your seed tray and some of your favorite potting soil. And what we're going to do is we're going to plant some right now. And basically, just a little bit about zinnias. They thrive in warm weather. They don't really like the frost, but since it's actually March right now. It's end of March right now. So for my zone, I'm about 4 weeks out to the last frost date. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start some of mine indoors. I prefer to start them indoors, have them for a couple weeks indoors, like probably 3 weeks, and then start hardening them off. That's bring them in and out of the house, and put them in the sun for like an hour or so every day, and just getting them ready to be put outside permanently. So basically, if you start them about 4 weeks before your last frost date, which for me is right now in zone 7B, it's perfect timing. I mean, you can direct sow them right into the ground, but I like to get mine ready to rock and roll because I love seeing these flowers. But you can direct sow them right into the ground or in containers. They are pretty much drought tolerant, so they can handle heat and everything. So if you do decide to put them direct sow, but man, they're such a great thing to add, and it just adds a nice big, even if you're looking in your backyard, it adds a nice splash of like beautiful colors. Any bare spots you have in your backyard, fill them up with some flowers, not just your gardens. Once again, they're perfect for pollinators, and just watch your garden pretty much come alive by adding these flowers. And any kind of flowers are beautiful, so I think it's such a great idea. But I'm putting I'm going to put a couple seeds in every cell, just for insurance. If one doesn't come up, I could. Zinnias are great to grow though, because they're easy for a beginner, and if you're a seasoned gardener, it's even better because you know what's about to come in the future. But anyway, I'd like to, like as usual, always cover everything with perlite, just to have a little moisture control for when I'm germinating these, and it really works out. Look at that beautiful handwriting. Don't forget to label all your trays because there's so much going on this time of year with spring. Let's go ahead and water our new seeds that we just planted, give them a nice drink. And also, I'm going to use a humidity dome, and that's going to just keep things moist as they're germinating and just keep everything nice and happy. So I'm going to show you a couple of companies that I use for seeds. I use 3 right now: Baker's Creek, Haas, and Ferry Morris. And I do have a question for you guys as an audience. Have you ever started your own zinnias before in the past? And if so, in the comments, let me know. Do you like to direct sow them in the ground, or do you like to start them indoors? Whatever works best for you, let me know. And I just want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more garden tips. And this is Jay from the Backyard Gardener, and I will see you next time.